Hi everyone, welcome to our meat cutting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to cut a beef butt tenderloin, from trimming off the silver skin to cutting perfect steaks, making sure not to waste anything. Let's get started. Some equipment you'll need may include a beef butt tenderloin, a cutting board, a boning knife for trimming the fat, a chef's knife or steak knife for cutting the steaks, some kitchen towels so you can keep your work area clean, a pair of food-safe gloves to keep your hands and the meat clean, and a trash can or bowl for the trimmings in case you can't grind it like we can. Before we get started, some safety precautions. Always use a sharp knife to reduce the risk of slipping. Wear food-safe gloves to protect your hands and keep the meat clean. Keep a clean work area to avoid cross-contamination. Dispose of waste properly to maintain hygiene. This cut of meat is a beef butt tenderloin. It's an excellent cut for making tender and flavorful steaks. First, we'll trim off the silver skin and any excess fat. First, we'll try to remove any excess fat. Use the boning knife to trim off thick fat deposits, leaving a thin layer for flavor. Rotate the tenderloin to check all sides. Keep your cuts smooth and controlled to avoid wasting meat. Let's start trimming the silver skin. Using the boning knife, insert the tip just under the silver skin. Lift the silver skin slightly and carefully cut it away, angling the knife upwards to avoid losing meat. Continue this process until all the silver skin is removed. Remember, take your time to ensure you only remove the tough membrane and not the meat underneath. Don't throw away the trimmings and scraps. These can be used for stir fries, stews, or ground meat. Gather them into a bowl and store them separately if you can't grind them. Now it's time to cut the tenderloin into steaks. Decide on the thickness of your steaks, typically about 1 to 1.5 inches. Using the steak knife, slice straight down through the tenderloin. Ensure even slices for uniform cooking. If you encounter any connective tissue, trim it away carefully. And there you have it, a trimmed beef butt tenderloin cut into steaks ready for cooking. By following these steps, you can ensure nothing goes to waste and enjoy the best quality meat. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.